Tried this high temperature tape for both electronics and crafting. Love that it comes in the 1/8, quarter, half, and 1-inch widths for the variety. When you pull it off, it does have a transparent yellow look. I didn't have any issue getting it off the roll, and it does have a nice stick, but not obnoxious. I also found it quite easy to cut when I was using it for various tasks. I used it for a couple of shirts that I was making. I found it stayed put where I placed it, or if I needed to reposition it, I could do that as well. I didn't really have any issues when I was just kind of flowing through and using it as my workflow. I didn't have to fight with the tape at all, which I really liked. And I found that it worked just fine on the high heat metals. I didn't have the highest soldering available, but did have a couple 100-degree to put right next to the metal components, and tested both of these out. And so far, everything seemed great. The silicone backing did slide off just well. No matter what heat exposure I did, it held up, no melting, no curling, and it peeled off without residue. All the reviews said it worked fine with circuit boards, soldering, electrical, and I just didn't have any issue. No matter how much heat I was trying to give the different elements, really held up well for me. In addition to that, I wanted to try it on the crafting. Did go ahead and heat up my iron to the hottest temperature. Used a little bit of protective layer here just to not burn the shirt. Really gave this a good go and was curious out it peeling off, but the high heat tape would pull away without damaging. I did find sometimes it was a little bit more challenging to get the tape off of the shirt versus the technology, but once I got the right angle and get my nails under it, it did work just fine. I'd say my first impression with both is the tape feels professional grade, it feels reliable, but it did stick securely and removed easily when I was finished with both. I'd say the tape combines that heat resistance I was looking for. I had precision control, could put it wherever I liked, and most importantly, I really liked the clean removal on everything that I was doing. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.